Sai Satcharitra Teachings. Teachings of Sri Sai Baba of Shirdi in each chapter of Sai Satcharitra. The link to Sai Satcharitra chapter 1 to chapter 51 is given in the description box. In this chapter we learn Nirgun and Sagun form of worship, the worship of Baba's devotees, Haji Siddiq Phalke, and Baba's control over the elements. There are two aspects to God or Brahma: Nirgun, the unmanifested and formless; Sagun, the manifested and with form. It is easier for man to worship God with form. In Sagun worship, image, altar, fire, light, sun, water, Brahma are 7 objects of worship. But the worship of Sri Sai Sadguru as Sagun Brahman is the easiest of all. Some say Sai was a Bhagavad Bhakta, devotee of the Lord. Others say he was a Mahabhakta, a great devotee. But to us, he is the Lord incarnate. The Ganges on its way to the sea cools and refreshes the earth. Similarly, saints like Sai give solace and comfort to all. One Dr. Pandit came to Shirdi for Baba's darshan. As a practice, no devotee was allowed to apply sandal paste to Baba's forehead. Only Malsapati applied the sandal paste to Baba's neck. But simple Pandit took the dish containing puja materials and drew a tripund on Baba's forehead using sandal paste. To the surprise of all, Baba kept silent. He told the devotees that Pandit in his devotion saw Sai to be his own guru back home, on whose forehead he used to mark the tripund as he did on Baba's forehead. Hence Baba did not object to the applying of sandal paste on his forehead. By this we understand that Baba lets his devotees worship him as they pleased. Sometimes he acted strangely, scolding his devotees and throwing away the puja dish, and was wrath incarnate. But he loved his devotees, stood by them and responding always to them. Knowing this, Sai Baba's devotees understood his anger also to be a blessing from Sai Baba. One Muslim gentleman, Siddiq Phalke, came to Shirdi after making a pilgrimage to Mecca and Medina. For 9 months, Baba ignored him. He did not let him enter the masjid. Desolate Phalke approached Shama to help him to gain access to Sai Baba. When Shama asked Sai Baba why he was not allowing Siddiq Phalke into the masjid, Baba sent a series of queries to Phalke through Shama. When Baba was ultimately satisfied that Siddiq Phalke had given up his ego, Baba blessed him and invited him for meals in the masjid. Baba had control over all the elements of nature. Hemada Pant closes this chapter by showing Baba's this control over elements. There was a terrible storm in Shirdi. The people flocked to the masjid in fear, but Baba addressed the storm and asked it to stop its fury. Soon the rain subsided. On another occasion, the dhuni or the fire which was kept in the masjid began to burn and reach the rafters above. Baba dashed his stick on the pillars, saying, "Get down, be calm." At each stroke of the satka, the flames began to slow down and soon the dhuni became calm and normal. Om Sai Ram.